Well, today we are going to discuss about the fractions unit test paper. So last day we discussed perimeter and square root unit test paper. So here today we are going to discuss about the fractions unit test paper. Right, okay. Let's go to the paper now. Question number 1, it consists of H parts. A to H there are parts. So A part first we'll see. It is regarding the simplification. So I'm going to teach you how to simplify fractions related with the BODMAS rule. So the question here is 3 times half minus 1/3. This is the question. So you can see there multiplication is there, subtractions is there, and also brackets are also there. So we know the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. Always brackets first. So first of all, we'll solve the brackets inside. You can see the denominators are different. So when the denominators are different, what you have to do? You have to make the common denominator. So here you can take 2 into 3 and 3 times 2, here times 2, here times 3. Then you are getting 3 times, and within brackets you get the common denominator 6, and 3 minus 2. This is equal to 3 minus 2 means what? You are getting 1 upon 6. Now no need brackets. Now you can go to the multiplication. So 3 and 6 are divisible, 3 ones and 3 twos. Final answer is 1 into 1, 1 upon 2. Can you understand? So what we did here, we solved the brackets, we made the common denominator, and then we simplified the rest. The B part is also having brackets half into 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Now how can we solve this one? We can solve without making common denominator because it's a multiplication, but brackets are always first. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6. Right? This one now no need bracket because it's a single fraction. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 upon 5. Now you can see same numbers are there. So you can cancel them. Now what's the answer? 1 upon 5. This is the final answer. Right. Now let's go to the C part. C part is a big question. So let me take it freshly. So actually here you are getting 2 marks for each. So 2 marks here, 2 marks here. Right. Now C part, it's given in a different way. So listen carefully. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Then you have to take 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. Okay. Right. Now how can we write this in a way that we can understand? It's a division, right? So let me write it like this. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. This is one fraction. Should be divided by the other one. 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. So always brackets should be solved first. So you can see denominators are different. Subtraction is there. Let's make the common denominator. 4 times 3 and 3 times 4 because LCM is 12. So we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. You get 9 minus 4 over 12. This is one fraction. Divide by this one, you can cancel. 3 and 3 cancel. You are getting 1 upon 4. So 9 minus 4 means you are getting 5 upon 12. Divide by 1 upon 4. So in fractions, we know when division comes, we can get the reciprocal. Reciprocal means division changes to multiplication and the second fraction will change its numerator and denominator. So here you get 4 and 12. You can cancel 4 ones and 4 3. So you get the final answer 5 upon 3. But this is an improper fraction. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction. 3 times 1, 3. 2 more you need 4, 5. So 1, 2 upon 3. So here also you get 2 marks for writing the correct final answer. Up to this place, if you have written, you are getting the 2 marks. If you have written only this one, you get only 1 mark. Right. So now we'll go to the D part. D part is also something related to this way. In a complicated way, they have given the question, but the question is not complicated. So let's go to the question now. Right. D. Look at the one. Look at the board. 2 1 upon 4 plus 1 1 upon 3 divide by 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. See, it looks complicated, but the question isn't complicated. Listen carefully. First of all, solve this one. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So you get 9 upon 4 plus 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 3. 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. Now this is similar to the previous question. You just write down them within brackets. But here you can see this is an addition. Denominators are different. So you have to make the common denominator for both of these pairs, addition and subtraction. If you have different denominators, you have to make the common denominator. So common denominator is 12 here. 4 times 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 4. So 4 times 4, 16. Here you are getting 4 times 6, that is common denominator. You can get 24. Any other common denominators do you have here? Yes, you have 12. You have 12. LCM is 12. So 4 times 3. So 1 times 3. 6 times 2, 1 times 2. Now you can add these two. What can you get here? 37. Yes, 43 upon 12. Now division. So let me make the, okay, it's okay. Let me write it like this way. Okay. Here 1 upon 12. Now I can take the reciprocal. Now can you see? It's cancelling. What's the final answer? 43 upon 1 means 43. That is the final answer. So upon 1 means you don't want to write the denominator. So for this question also you are getting 2 marks if you have come up to the last answer. Right? So these are not difficult, children. If you know the BODMAS rule properly, if you know that you have to make the common denominator for addition and subtraction, these questions are not tough. Now we'll go to the E part, which is having 3 parts of a fraction. 3 pairs of fractions when you have. This is a mixed fraction. When a mixed fraction is given, always remember that first of all, you better convert it to improper fraction. So that's what we have to do now. I'm going to convert this. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 3? Yes, 27. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Right? Now you can see addition and subtraction both are there. Now we have to come to the BODMAS. What is first? Addition is first. So what we have to do? We have to solve the addition part. So now this is subtraction part, right? So if you want to solve the addition part, what is it? This is the addition part. So 27 upon 8 minus, we'll solve this one. Okay, right. Now common denominator is 4. 11 times 2 means 22. What do you get? 22 plus 17. 39 upon 8 and upon 4. Wait. Negative part is there. I think we did a mistake here a little bit. This is minus. Addition part is positive and positive you have to take. Minus 11 upon 2. Yes. 27 plus 34 minus 11 upon 2. You're getting 61 upon 8. 11 upon 2. So if you make the common denominator, 11 times, like 2 times 4. 11 times 4 means 44. Common denominator 8. 61 minus 44. You're getting 7 here. 5 minus 4, you're getting 1. 17 upon 8. It's improper, so arrange it to 1 upon 8. So what is the mistake I did actually? Because this is negative. This fraction is a negative fraction, subtraction part. These two are the positive one. You have to get them, add them, then subtract 11 by 2. Right? So it's a good question. Take it 2 marks if you have written the final answer. If you have written only this one, you are getting only 1 mark. So this is the E part. So we have another 3 parts in the first question remaining to discuss. Right, now we'll go to F. Right, you can copy down them like, by pausing the video. F part. 1 3 by 10 divide by 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Listen carefully. Now here you have addition, brackets, division. Right, so according to BODMAS, first of all we have to remove the brackets, but first I'll just convert this into the improper fraction. 10 times 1 10, 10 plus 3 13. Now I have to remove the brackets. Removing the bracket means I have to make the common denominator. Common denominator is 15 here. So 5 times 3 and here 1 times 3. Here 3 times 5. So here also 2 times 5. Then I'm getting 13 by 10 divide and 8 upon 15. So now what should we do? We have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means division becomes multiplication and the other fraction changes. Now you can see whether you can cancel. Yes, 5 times 2 and 5 times 3. Okay. Then we get 13 times 3, 39 over 16. So do we have any method of converting this into improper? Yes. 16 times what? Let's say 16 times 2 is 32, but 16 times 3, yeah, 16 times 2, 32. So we need 7 more. Then only it's correct. This is the final answer for F part. Now we'll come for G part. G part, 6 minus and a big square bracket is given. 1 upon 2 plus 2 1 upon 2. Two mixed fractions are given to be added inside the square bracket. So we'll first of all make this clearly. 6 minus 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2. Now solve it. 6 minus, you can see denominators are same. So no problem. You are getting 8 upon 2. But can you understand? This 6 is standing alone. That means denominator is 1. Now make the common denominator into 2. You are getting 12 minus 8 upon 2. Right? That means 4 upon 2. So 4 upon 2 means 2. 4 upon 2 means 2. So this is the final answer for G part. So check if your answers are correct. So you can get the question papers if you want for this perimeter, square root, every unit test papers. You can get it through me. Like I'll put you the WhatsApp number in the what you call description box. So please check it. If you want the paper, let me know. So you can take the paper and do it and then watch the video as well. Now we'll go to the H part. H part, the last part of the first question. Part H. 3 1 upon 4 minus 5 1 upon 2 plus 2 2 upon 3. Now we'll solve all this into the improper fractions. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 upon 4, 11 upon 2, 8 upon 3. So first of all, make the common denominator in the brackets. Common denominator is 6. So 33, 16. Right? Now what we can do? 13 upon 4 minus, if you add these two, you are getting what? 49. Now make the common denominator here. 12 is the common denominator. 4 times 3. 13 times 3 means 39. 6 times 2. 49 times 2 means 98. Okay. Yeah, we are getting a negative answer. Yeah, we are getting a negative answer. 59. So negative 59 upon 12. Yeah, that means 12 times what is closer to 59? 12 times 5 is 60. So 12 times 4 becomes 48. 12 times 4 is 48. Okay. 12 times 5 is 60. So we can't take 60. So how many more we need? 59 like minus 48. And 11 more. So this is the answer, but it's a negative answer. Negative 4, 11 by 12. So here you get 2 marks. So finally, for the question number 1, how many marks in total you get? 16 marks in total for the question number 1. 16 marks in total. So put your marks out of 16 for the first question. Right, now we'll go to the second question. Connect the following fractions using the symbol, and they have given the symbol. So let me discuss that part clearly with you now. Right, second question. It's given 2 by 3, 5 by 13, 4 by 7. You have to connect them with this symbol. What is larger? First of all, we'll make the common denominator, LCM. We'll take the LCM. That's easy for us, right? Yeah, what is the LCM? We can get it for here. We can even multiply all everyone together. That's also fine. Like you're not getting a kind of a big answer, we say. Like this. 13 into 7 into 3. Like that. Okay, we'll get the LCM in that way. So you get 3, 13, and 7. What's the first prime number? We can take 3. So here it's not divisible. See, 7. So not divisible here, 13. So can you see, we had to just multiply 3 into 7 into 13. If you multiply all these three numbers together, you can get the LCM of this denominators. So 3 into 7 into 13. What's the answer? 273. This is the common denominator. Okay, children. Now we are going to take 273. Now how can you make 273 from 2? So 273, if you want from 2, by what number? Like, okay, by 3, sorry, by 3 if you want. So it's 91, 3 times 91. So 2 times 91 also should be taken. Okay, so what is 2 times 91? 182. Then we put a comma. 13. 273 should be divided by 13. Then you are getting 21. 3 times 21. So 5 times 21 is how much then? You have to get that for the numerator. You get 105. Now by 7. So 273 should be divided by 7. You get how much? 39. So it should be multiplied by 39. So what is 4 times 39? You are getting 156. Now you can use the symbols. What is the bigger one? 182 upon 273. Okay, the symbol, right? Then smaller one first. 105. Okay, then that is smaller than 156 upon 273 and 182 upon 273. This is the largest, but we are not writing this answer in this way. We had to use these fractions. 182 means 2 by 3. 156 over 273 means 4 by 7. And here you get 5 by 13. Can you understand? 5 by 13. So you can do in this manner as well. Can you see in here numerator is the smallest. Denominator is the smallest. Little this one, little larger than this. This one more larger than this. Right, now we'll go to the third question. It's a word problem. So we are going to do the first word problem in this unit test paper under fractions. I'll read the question, listen carefully. Naveen had a small library. Out of the total number of books, 1/6 were child stories, 1/4 were literature books, and he donated these books to the school. Let me come to the question once again. Look at the board. It's interesting. Right? So Naveen had how many books now? Out of the total number of books, 1/6 of the books were stories, the children's story books. 1/4 were literature books. He donated these books to the school. So Roman number 1 asks, what fraction of the total did Naveen donate to the school? So 1/6 and 1/4. Add them. Right? Can you understand? So make the common denominator 12. 6 times 2. So 2 plus 4 times 3. 3 over 12. So that is 5 upon 12. This much he donated. If he donated 150 books, 5 over 12 means 150. Find the number of books that he had. 5 over 12 means 150. So 12 over 12 means how much? Can you understand? We are to find for 1 over 12. 150 divided by 5. So you are getting how much? 30 is 1 over 12. So what is 12 over 12 then? 30 into 12. 360 books he had. So here you get 2 marks. Here you get 2 marks. Naveen gave 60 books to his neighbor and he sold the rest. 60 books to the neighbor. How many books has he donated? Donated 150 books. 60 books to neighbor. For neighbor he has given 60. Rest was sold. Okay, rest means how much is remaining? From 360, you have to subtract 60 and 150. Can you understand? So you are getting how much? 210, right? Yeah, 210. So 150 again remaining. Yeah, 150 books are remaining. What fraction of the total did Naveen give to his neighbor? Of the total. Now they're asking it as a fraction. Now come to this topic here again. Right. Now it says 1 upon 12 means 30 books. Okay, 30 books means 1 upon 12. So we have to find for neighbor he gave 60. 60 means double this. 1 upon 12 into 2. 1 upon 6. That is a fraction. 1 upon 12 means 30. Right? So 60 means double that. So you have to multiply by 2 that fraction and you're getting 1 upon 6. So what fraction of the total did Naveen give to his neighbor? That is 1 upon 6. Can you understand? 1 upon 6. So that's the answer for Roman number 3. That's all. So here you get again 2 marks for this final answer. So altogether question number 2, you're getting how many marks? 6 marks. Right? Now we'll go to the third. Sorry, this is not the second. Second question you are getting second question, yeah, second question, the previous question I forgot to give you the marks. Second question also you are getting 6 marks. Third question also you are getting 6 marks. Now we'll go to the fourth question. 4 by 5 of a tank was filled with water. When 150 liter was removed, there was half of its volume. Okay, half of its volume, half of this. Half of this means 4 by 10. That means 2 by 5. So what does it mean? 2 by 5. Half of it was remaining means half was removed. So 2 by 5 means 150 liters. Can you understand? Therefore, 1 by 5 means 150 divided by 2. So you're getting 75 liters. 75 liters. 1 upon 5 means. Find the capacity of the tank. Capacity means the total, how much it can hold, 5 by 5. So 1 by 5 is 75. Therefore, 5 by 5 is equal to 75 into 5, 385 liters. Is that correct? No, wait a second. 375 liters. 375 liters. This much of capacity is there. Can you understand the question? Once again, I'll explain it here. This much of water was there. After removing half, half is remaining. So that half means half of it means 2 by 5. This is remaining. 150 liters, right? 150 liter was removed. Half remaining. So half removed means we are getting this fraction. It is equal to 150 liters. So you have to get, if 2 by 5 is 150, 1 by 5 is half of 150, that is 75. Then we are getting the answer. So this question, for finding this one, you are getting 2 marks, right? And for getting this equalizing and getting this one, for 1 by 5 is 2 marks, and final answer 2 marks. Altogether, in fourth question, also you are getting 6 marks. Okay. Now we'll go to the last question. Last question. Question number 5. Listen carefully. It's another word problem. Question number 5, part A. A man gave half of a land. Okay. A man gave half of a land to his wife. These are very common questions in oral paper. Half to his wife. 1/4 from the rest. From the rest means what is remaining now? Half was given. 1/4 from the rest. 1/4. So that is 1/8 was sold. After that, the remaining land was divided between son and daughter equally. Now half for wife, 1/8 was sold. So what is remaining? 2 into 4. 4 plus 1 means 5 upon 8. This is only remaining. No, this is only given. Given for wife and sold. Okay, wife plus it's sold. Can you understand? It's wife plus sold part. Now what is remaining? 8 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. 3 upon 8. This is remaining. So remaining land was divided between son and the daughter equally. This 3 upon 8 was divided between 2 people. Division means you have to put the reciprocal. So you are getting 3 upon 16. Daughter got rupees 600,000 worth land. Okay, equally means 3 upon 8 should be divided for two people equally. So one part is 3 by 16. So daughter is getting how much? 600,000. Find the value of the total land. Okay, value of the total land means the portion given to wife, the portion that was sold, and the portion that was given to the children. Can you understand? So that means I have to add these things. Half thing, 1 upon 8. That means altogether 5 upon 8. So we'll consider this one. This should be taken. And also this portion, 3 upon 8, remaining portion also should be calculated. Can you understand? 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8. Altogether 8 upon 8 parts are the total parts, right? So value should be found. Value should be found. If we know 3 by 16 is 600,000, we have to find for 1 by 16. 600,000 should be divided by 3. So it's 200,000, one part. So 16 parts means then 16 by 16 means 200,000 into 16. Can you understand? So you are getting 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much? 3,200,000. The worth of the land is 3,200,000 rupees. Rupees should be written definitely. So for getting this one, you are getting 2 marks. For finding this, you are getting 2 marks. For finding this, you are getting 2 marks. And for finding this, you are getting 2 marks. This is part A, Roman number 1. Part A, Roman number 1. Now they're asking to find the value of the land that was sold. Sold 1 over 8. Okay, 1 over 8 was sold. If 1 over 16 is 200,000, what is 1 over 8? What is 1 over 8? If 1 over 16 is 200,000, what is 1 over 8? It's like this. Now listen, what is this one? 1 over 16 means 200,000. What is 1 over 8? It's something like this. So this one comes here automatically, denominator, denominator. Then 8 times 1, 8 times 2, that is equal to 400,000. So the value of the land that was sold was 400,000 rupees. This is actually Roman number 2 of 5th question part A. So you are getting here 2 marks. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Question number 5 is 10 marks. Now what you have to do, how can you total your marks? First question total 16 marks. Second question total 6 marks. Third question 6 marks. Fourth question 6 marks. Fifth question 10 marks. Okay, so totally how much? You're getting 16, 18 and 10, 44. Now what you have to do, children, put your marks out of 44, put your marks here, multiply it by 100. So you can do it in calculator. If your marks is 20 something, 20 into 100, divide by 44. Take your answer. Right? For example, I'm saying. So you have to round it off to the nearest. So let me show you how to do it. So you're getting here 45.45. This is the marks I'm getting in decimals. So if you round it off, you can see this is less number than 5. So the marks is 45%. If your marks is 20 out of 44. Like that, you have to round it off to the nearest and get the marks. Can you understand? So this is all about the fractions paper. So hope you had a clear idea about how to do fractions, word problems, and also BODMAS related problems also. So make sure you redo the paper. If you have not done, please do the paper and then watch the video. So you can get the paper through my WhatsApp number. I'll just insert it in the description box. So thanks for watching my video. So that's all for the day.